A 6.2 magnitude earthquake attacked an ethnic county in China's Gansu province midnight Monday. More than 100 people have been killed in Gansu province and its neighboring Qinghai province, according to local earthquake relief headquarters.
太近了，两边房子就这，我正好走了这儿。车子先丢这儿吧。不能动，不能动，先去广场，先去广场。
The quake felt like being tossed by surging waves, recounts Mr. Qin, a local resident who with his family braved a 16-floor descent to safety. State media footage showcased the extent of the calamity. Entire villages divided, buildings demolished, and people huddled for warmth around fires as temperatures plummeted to minus 13 degrees Celsius. Straddling the boundary of multiple tectonic plates, China is no stranger to seismic activity. The recent quake in Gansu province, which was felt strongly in the neighboring Qinghai province, struck with a lethal force, claiming over 157 lives and injuring more than 700. Chinese President Xi Jinping has swiftly mobilized thousands of rescuers to the area, marking this as the most catastrophic quake since the 2014 Yunnan disaster. In an unprecedented seismic sequence, 6 earthquakes struck one after the other, beginning on December 18th at 1724. The subsequent tremors followed closely, occurring at 1736, 1756, and 1759 on the same day. The unsettling pattern continued with the 5th quake on December 19th at 0246 and the 6th on December 20th at 21:02, marking a tense period of recurrent seismic activity. Adjacent Xinjiang province also experienced a 5.5 magnitude quake, but with no reported casualties. The disaster's impact extends beyond human toll, disrupting essential services like power and water, crucial for ongoing rescue efforts.
没事。哎，路上没有。指定的。哎呦，这个好了。哎。
A Gansu rescue team director highlighted the poor construction quality in the region. Many homes are old and made of clay, reflecting the structural vulnerability contributing to the widespread damage. The quake's epicenter, which is located in the ethnically diverse Ningxia Hui Autonomous Prefecture, witnessed a discrepancy in magnitude report 6.2 by Chinese authorities versus 5.9 by the U.S. Geological Survey.
这个干净哈。啊。
This quake serves as a stark reminder of China's seismic vulnerability, echoed in past tragedies like the 2010 Qinghai earthquake and the devastating 2008 Sichuan quake. In the grip of extreme cold, rescue operations face arduous conditions. Wang Yi, chief commander of the Blue Sky Rescue Team, conveyed the urgency. It's minus 15 degrees Celsius here. It is too cold to bear. President Xi Jinping has urged for exhaustive search and rescue measures, emphasizing timely medical aid to minimize fatalities. In the dead of night, imagine a force so powerful it can shake mountains and crumble homes. This is not a scene from a dystopian film. It's the harrowing reality for the residents of Gansu in China. An earthquake of 6.2 magnitude has torn through the province, leaving a trail of devastation and despair. What unfolded in those terrifying moments? How did the community confront this unexpected nightmare?
拿不着。
Stay ahead of earthquakes with our latest updates. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to receive updates on earthquakes, floods, and many more disasters. Your safety begins here. Join our community at Eco Havoc and share your thoughts below. What are your views on this natural disaster and its impact on the people of Gansu?